Hi guys, welcome back to Bride Society. So today we've been thinking about those kind of extra little touches that you can put together for your wedding. Just that shows you put like that bit of extra thought into things and that your guests might really appreciate and enjoy. And so namely, we've put together like a pamper box that can kind of go like in the women's like washroom, so they can sort of do touch-ups and like through the evening, because the days can be long or wet, windy, like a lot of dancing, all this kind of thing. So some things just to let the women help them freshen up a bit.
Yeah.
So we're going to show you what we have put in ours. So, would you like to start?
I will start. So the first thing we thought were kind of hair accessories, so things like bobbles or maybe like little hair curvy grips.
Yeah, because notoriously like your hair, fancy hairstyle, it falls out a bit, right?
Yeah,
so curvy grips especially.
While you're kind of dancing the night away, you might just want to put your hair up, get it out your face, or pin some back if bits have fallen out, and then you can do that as you go along.
Yes, indeed. And I guess in the same vein, like hairspray, like just fixing fixing that bit that just won't get out in the middle of your face, out of the way. And a bit of dry shampoo even, just to freshen up that look.
And then if you've been dancing a bit too much, or it's a very hot day, you might want to add a bit of body spray, perfume, something like that, just so you can have a spritz and feel much better for the rest of the evening.
Yeah, it's got a nice little Ted Baker one there. What next? So so we also have blister plasters. So again, for the dancing or all the standing around in those nice fancy shoes, which can cause a bit of rubbing. We also have like these like anti-friction sticks as well, which I don't know where I put it, but it's around here somewhere. We put it on like parts of your foot where the shoe rubs, and so it's supposed to like reduce the friction, so you don't get blisters.
Ah, clever.
Yeah.
So something else we've got is some little blotting
sheets.
Yes.
Matic. Yeah.
Yeah. So if you got oily skin, makeup's kind of stuck or just a bit sweaty, again just absorbs any excess oils, and this is possibly something you wouldn't have thought to bring with you.
No, it's something that was in my my wedding handbag actually, because and my wedding ended up being like the hottest day of the year at that point. And I do have oily skin, so I was needing a bit to keep the bridal look fresh. Gum, keep that breath fresh.
Explanatory, yeah.
Yeah.
You might want to put in some paracetamol, ibuprofen, something like that, because weddings can be long days, and you might end up getting a bit of a headache. So it might be helpful just to have something just to take that pain away. Just be aware if you've got children at your wedding, I guess just... Yeah,
because if you're obviously leaving it unsupervised, and
don't want anything terrible to happen, obviously.
No, that would be a bad turn of events. Safety pins. So all those like things that can go wrong, like torn dresses, straps breaking, all that kind of thing, can be a saviour.
It can. Some little cotton buds, just for makeup touch-ups, things like that, getting where you've been crying, the mascara out from underneath your eyes.
It's maybe a little pack of tissues too.
Yes.
This is, I don't know if you can see it in the packet, but it's a little like manicure set, so deal with the broken nails and things.
And finally, the last thing we've popped in is just a little hand cream. I mean, the washrooms in the venue might have something like this already, but
it's not a luxury one.
Yeah, so it's just nice to keep your hands soft after you've been to the bathroom, I guess, washed your hands.
Yeah, something feels luxurious about putting on like hand cream afterwards and stuff. So yeah.
So I hope they're useful tips for things you can put in, just a little extra, as we said, just for keep your guests happy, something that they might not have thought about, lots of things that they think, oh, I wish I'd brought that, just to make the day go a bit more smoothly.
Yeah, so if you think of anything else that we should put in there to help the brides out, do comment below.
Yeah, and if you like the video, please give us a like, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.